Thank you for coming in, Nicole. And I understand that you're looking for a pendant. You have some questions about turquoise in general?
I am, and you know, I got this pendant and this whole necklace from you a couple of years ago, and I absolutely love it. But I'd like another type of turquoise, and I just want to come to the experts and learn from you. So,
thank you.
You guide me through this process.
All right. What we usually do with the customers is that we answer all their questions. Since it's such a narrow niche market, turquoise needs to be explained to people.
So now what you're going to show me is the same type of, it's the natural turquoise. Yes. Like what I'm wearing, right?
Yes. This is from the Pilot Mountain Mine of southern Nevada. Now, there are many, many colors going on in here, depending on the particular other kinds of minerals present along with the aluminum and the copper. What has happened here is the veins have been cut, and then the top of it sliced off, and the back of it supported, and then it's ready to cut, polish, and set. So there are many colors here. The larger stones have a tendency in the United States to be much harder to get because the veins are running out, and in many mines the veins are gone altogether.
Oh, wow.
Of the high-grade natural, the veins are gone.
Okay, interesting.
Here is an example of the Morenci mine. This is out of Arizona. The Morenci mine is a true blue. This mine is also long gone, as this is very, very high-grade Morenci turquoise. Natural color, if you can believe that.
That's beautiful.
It amazes me how, if you would like to look through the stones and choose something, and then what we will do is that I will show you the different kinds of designs that you could design through us and have us make it, or you could choose a stone and take it home to your own jeweler, if you wish. We offer this both ways to the public.
Excellent. Now, what's this one again?
That is Pilot Mountain.
It's beautiful. Let's see. For a pendant, I should do something a little bit larger.
Yeah. Yes, you have the height to do that.
All right, so just so I have variety to look at, maybe you can help me in deciding.
Okay.
But let's go with those.
All right. Now we will pull these off to the side. Now, I can show you some different kinds of designs that the Silver Sun artists will do. First of all, there is some silver work that can be done, which you do very well with this piece right here. Then there's another design that you could choose, which is a see-through, more of a lacy design. Now these have a tendency to be a little more traditional. However, if you wish to go to something more modern, you could pick, say, 3 stones. And do a modern design, or 2 stones, or 1 stone. No problem, it's up to the customer. Here is a more traditional design, which looks like the stone in your bracelet. This kind of a Rosetta stone.
Now, just so I know we're on the same page here, let's say I picked this, you would custom make it, like I don't have to find a stone that would fit exactly in that.
No.
You would make that to fit this stone, right?
That's correct. That's correct.
Oh, how interesting. Okay.
You might place it like this, so that either this one or this one is at the top.
Okay.
Or you could do it like this and have that beautiful serpent going all the way around. Very, very pretty. You could do the same thing with the big one. Oh yes, you could do that one or this one. Any of these will work with these choices that you have made.
Oh, now I have choices to make.
Well, yes, of course you do, madam.
Decisions. Okay. Well, what else do you have over there? I see a couple other...
Well, if you were to have chosen some small stones, you can make a larger pendant like this cross, or more silver work like this cross and a single. This is the Blue Gem Mine. This is the Blue Diamond Mine, and this is the Kingman Mine, for instance. Beautiful Morenci. Then we have a lovely new design from the Tiffany Surreals Mine. This has a raindrop design around the outside. Again, a reference to water and survival. This one is a carved border. And that is a triangle wire that has then been sawed out custom in order to fit the particular shape of the stone.
That's beautiful work.
Or you could just simply go with a great, big, simple design and push the stone forward to make the whole statement, if you wished.
Okay.
And then this one is just a simple bead around the outside, a raindrop around the outside. Looks very good with larger stones.
I like that. Okay, so a couple questions, just so I know I'm making the right decision for what I want to do, okay?
Yes.
You said I can wear, like, I could wear this cuff with one of these colors, which is not a number 8 like this, right?
That's correct, that's correct.
So, of course, this stone is calling out to me.
Oh, yes.
Maybe because it's the biggest, and as you can tell, I like large.
Yes, and you wear large well.
And this is just a spectacular color. So, what I'm thinking is, since my cuff has this, I call it like a star. I don't know what that is.
You could call it a rosette or a star.
Okay. While I love this design, I would like this stone to stand out on its own, like these two designs, but could your silversmiths do this design around the stone?
Yes. Oh, yes.
Okay.
That really makes the piece a one of a kind because, first of all, acquiring another Morenzi of this shape and size and quality is probably impossible.
Okay.
There's so little left of it, less than 3%. All the turquoise you see in the United States is the natural high grade. Makes it highly collectible. So, yes, you can ring this with rosettes. You could ring it with any of the designs that you see on the table and make it absolutely a custom one of a kind. And with these designs, I might add, you receive documentation, a certificate of authenticity on the piece itself, something on artist, a bio, and also something on the mine, which creates a paper trail, a provenance for the piece, which means then you come to write your papers. Whoever inherits won't misunderstand and look at the piece, not understand it, and put it in the garage sale for, $25. This,
oh my gosh.
this in 10 years will have skyrocketed in its value because the natural high-grade American is so scarce the way it is.
Okay.
So many of the mines are gone.
Okay. So let's do that. Let's have them put this design around that stone. And then, I mean, I don't know, should I just take this off and put this pendant on these Navajo beads, or should I do something different?
I think that if you had a large enough, what we call a bail, the ring at the top, you could put that thing on anything you liked. It would be beautiful.
Okay.
On any other piece. It's just a matter of trying and mixing and matching.
Now here's another, I don't know, beginner question, I guess, about turquoise.
No beginner question. It's all good stuff.
So this is the first time I've worn this cross with a color. I mean, I've worn it with a denim shirt and with black, but I thought, well, I'm going to wear this today, and I thought it looked all right. But, I mean, I noticed that you have on gray and black today with your turquoise. I think that shows off turquoise really well.
Yes.
But what other colors can I wear that with?
The light-colored stones, such as the number 8 mine, become neutrals or pastels, which means that you can match them with just about anything that you like. On the other hand, if you were to pick 5 or 6 colors and put them in say a cluster, in one pendant or a bracelet or a ring, that means you can really wear them with anything you like. Because one of the stones will pick something up in your outfit. Very nice. And we call those sampler pieces.
Well, that's a neat idea. Okay, great. Well, thank you.
Oh, you're certainly welcome.
I'm excited.
Oh,